is Kawana, as known as Diamond KK. Yes. Alright, you guys. I have a diamond painting from Temu. Yes, yes, yes. You guys already know my favorite place to order diamond paints. Alright. Today is January the 19th on a Sunday. So I hope everyone have a good Sunday this morning. Give God all your praises and blessings. Alright. So we're going to go out and show the diamond painting. So we're going to start off with this one from Temu, which is Center 1, guys. Center 1, Center 1, Center 1. Yes. Which is Starlight Star Bright 70. She loves Center 1 diamond paintings. And right now I'm working on a Center 1 diamond painting. I will show you guys the completion. I should be done with it by later on today. Alright, here are the paper sack bag. Cute bag. I love it. Very, very beautiful. Here are the baggies. You get wax. You get the tweezer. You get the curve multi-placer. I want to say it's 6-placer. You get the tray. Love the tray. It's very awesome. What else you get in here? You get 2 pins. Then you get 3-placer, 2 pins. You get a curve 3-placer. And you get a curve 6-placer. Alright, guys. That's what you get in the baggies. Nice little kit. Okay, we're going to go ahead and put that back in there. Love the bag. Just love it. Alright, I'm going to show you the colors. And here are the colors. You get white. You get a lot of colors in here, guys. I love the colors. And it looks like it got some ABs in it. There are blue AB. Let's see. Looks like it's just one AB in it. Oh, purple AB. Yeah, look like it's got 2 ABs in this thing. Alright, these are some beautiful colors, guys. I love it. Alright, let's go ahead and look at the fun part. Alright, we're going to go ahead and, it comes with a little foam around it, like that. We're going to go ahead and open up the diamond painting. I'm going to go ahead and roll it up for you guys. Hold on. I don't want to roll up. Okay. And I'm going to show you guys. It's so cute. The little puppy. Look at there. They got the butterflies, the hearts. The puppies got the bows on around their neck. That is cute, guys. I love it. What do you guys think? They got some little blue eyes. I love the butterflies. You know I love the butterflies. They got the flowers around it. It's a 45 by 45, which is 17.7 by 17.7 inches. It's a round with 40 colors, including 3 ABs. Okay. 3 ABs. All right, I didn't see but 2. All right. Okay. Here are the drill fill. Hope you guys can see the drill fill here. Try to put it close as I can. This is going to be gorgeous, guys. I love it. What do you guys think? Give me the comments and tell me what you think about this diamond painting. This is so pretty. I love it. Okay. And here are the colors. It's all numbers, alphabet, and symbols in order. 1 through 8. No, I'm sorry. 1 through 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then A through Z is 35, which is 10 through 35 is alphabets. 36 through 40 is symbols. If you guys can see that. It's in order. Love it. I love it when it's in order. But yeah, guys, this is the diamond painting from Center 1. They have good diamond painting. And I have also ordered a scented one for my daughter. She do hair and she has her own label. And I did one. Well, I'm going to do one. I got a custom made from Scented One. And it looks beautiful. I haven't done it yet. But she's going to love it. I don't want to put it on here and show her because she do watch my channel. But she know. Now she know I did one for her. But she don't know what it looked like. But when she sees it, she's going to love it. Okay, guys. Ooh, it's very sticky. Trying to straighten it out. Look like I'm not doing a good job. As usual. But yeah, this is it, guys. Look at the dogs. I don't know what kind of dogs these are. I'm not good with my animals here. But look, ain't that cute? I just love it, guys. Love it, love it, love it. That's from Scented One. I'm going to go ahead and roll it back up. Let's roll this back up. Because I'm not going to work on it right now. I'm going to put it back in the bag. All right. I hope everyone do something great for themselves today. It's very cold here. All right. I'm going to put that to the side. I have another diamond painting from Temu. Let's see what this baby here look like. All right. Let's see. Standard kit. Here are the colors. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Here are the colors. All right. And here are the picture. It's a panda. Love it. I love panda. They're so cute. It's a 40 by 40. Have 22 colors. It's not in order. Okay, this one would not be in order. So the the table grid is not in order. Here are the drill fill. If you guys like it, here's the thumbnail. It's a panda. Got hearts around it. Look like a brother and sister. Or it could be a mother and daughter, or mother and son. Don't know. But it's beautiful. But it's cute, guys. I love it. This is the panda. Let's see if I can straighten this out. Ooh, stick is very good. Very good stick. Very, very good stick. Oh, I did that perfect, guys. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Yes. There we go. All right, girl, you got it. All right, I did that good. Okay, there we go. That's the panda. Panda bear. There's the hearts. Look like they got a little, what is that, a little flower or something? A little feet here. That's going to be beautiful, guys. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. All right. We're going to go to the next one. Put that to the side. I have one more. Let me put this in the trash. One more. Oh, you guys gonna love. I meant to show this one when I showed the other one, but I couldn't find it because I had so many diamond paintings. Then I found it. And I'm like, I meant to show it regular standard boat waxing kit. I meant to show it when I show the other one, but that's okay. It doesn't matter. These are the colors. Look like they have a lots of pink. There's some purple, burgundy. There's some white. There's some purple. Look like a little black. Little black. With lots of different pinks, as you can see. There we go. There's the pinks. All right. Let's go ahead and roll this baby up. But yeah, I meant to show it when I showed the other ones. You'll see what I'm talking about. And I couldn't find it. And then I finally found it, clean my space up in my room. And I found it. And I'm like, oh, I meant to show it when I showed the other one. But here she is. I meant to show it when I showed the girl with the blue eyes and the blue outfit. And I wanted to show her too with that. And I found her. And she cute. I just love her. She reminded me so much of my grandbaby when she was a baby. Oh, with the two little ponytails. Oh, she's so cute. She looks so innocent, does she? When they look like that, they're just so bad. No, I'm just kidding. I love her. I just love her. She's so pretty, guys. Tell me what you think in the comments. It's a 50 by 50. Here's the thumbnail. Oh, is she cute? It's not in order. It's 24 colors. Yeah. And here's the drill field of her. Of Jasmine. That's her name. Her name is going to be Jasmine. She like a Jasmine. What y'all think? She like a cute little Jasmine. Hi, Jasmine. But yeah, this is the drill field of her. It's going to come out gorgeous. I think it's going to come out great. I think they're going to have the best color on her face. The best color on her face. Let's see. What is this on her face? All kinds of colors. Let's see. They don't have. Let's see. T-W-E-P-U. Oh, hold up. U might be. It look like an orange color. Hold up, guys. Because when it comes down to African American people, they have them look so orange looking. I might have to change the color of her. Why they got... I'm going to have to change her whole face color to just all brown. Why they got it pink and all that kind of stuff right there. That ain't going to work. Let's see what color they got her face. U is 17. See, they got this around her face. Now you know that's not gonna work. They got you. They got this color. Let's see. 20. And this color. And this color around her face. Now y'all know, and y'all know this baby is not this color, okay? So we're gonna have to do something about this. So you know this is not gonna work. This is not going to work. So her whole face might be a totally different color. Her face. I'm going to have to find a beautiful, beautiful color for her face. It might be something like this. Normally 900 or 921 is a color that we use for our face. Around this color. But I'll look into it and see. Because this, no. This here, no. So y'all know this is not going to work. I mean, her cheeks, yes, might be this color. Around this color. Number 6. This 6 is E. You know, she might have some little blush around her face, but probably not. No, we not finna do this baby like this. We not finna do this to this baby. We not finna do that. That is not gonna happen. So her face might be this color all over. And I know I have some more colors. This is a 900. This is a 900, which is a S around. This is a S around here, around her forehead area. So this color might be all around her face. Probably this in 921. We're not going to play with this. Y'all know darn well this is not her color, which is is here, here, around here. We're not gonna play this. We're not gonna do this. No. I don't even know why they do that. But anyway, I just want to show you guys that how they sometimes mix up the colors with the African American people. Sometimes we have to switch up with the colors because we're not going to play these colors on this baby's face. Anything else, I care less. But when it comes to the face, no, we're not finna do this. Okay. All right. So that's all I want to show you guys today. This is what I have here. This beautiful, beautiful Jasmine. That's going to be her name. Jasmine. All right. We got Jasmine. We got Panda. And then we have the center one. All right, you guys. That's all I have for you today. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell. If you like what you see, love you, peace, and y'all have a wonderful, blessed Sunday, okay? Bye-bye.